This is my lab notebook, and originally I thought it would be for protocols only, but it turned out to be for not only for them. Here we have a DNA sequencing protocol. There's some PCR protocols in there. Most of it is contained of my observations and or notes I've made about some job I had to do. For example, here we had some numbers which were put on the Eppendorf, and each and every number would match a certain person. That's his blood or her blood. And we had to see if it was present in a database, and also there was some Exceling done later on, and PLR in Ukrainian is PCR in English. Actually, what we did was qPCR, but still. There have been also some notes from, those are horrible notes, and actually my lab notebook should have been kept better, but at least I have dates, I have notes I've made, and some of them I have a to-do list, not here probably, but there are, for example, to-do list for this evening after the lab work day. Here I would make a to-do list for the next day, so 3rd, 4th. And there have also been notes from some conferences which I have printed, actually not printed, but glued, taped. It is a bit of a mess actually, and they're put from one notebook into another one, and came into a mess, but still, at least everything I need to see recorded is available here, as long as I understand it, as long as it's easy for me and for others who need to use it, it's fine. And nobody except me needs to use my lab notebook, so that is alright. Although, learning on my mistakes, I'm going to make it more accessible for others later on. So here, why is it also important to use? For example, I was recording a video on on droppers, and I got my hands dirty with something, so I need to write what that was to make sure I understand how maybe dangerous or not it is, but actually that was just coloring material, so nothing dangerous, but still I need to know what that is. Now there are some notes on further videos to make, some lab safety notes, and hopefully later on this notebook would be used with much better care and more interesting purposes.